Welcome once again guys in my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you the best settings for C-on and C-off for freezer setting. And C-on guys is compressor on with faulty probe, and this is our room sensor, and this is the thermostat. In case of abnormality, the compressor will stay on with a default of 15 and compressor off with a default of 30 minutes. But I'm going to configure this one for freezer setting because this is set by the manufacturer, and the C-on here, C-on, it has a range of 0 to 255 minutes, and the under the 60 XR60CX we have a default of 15 minutes and 30 minutes for the compressor off with faulty probe. I'm gonna show you guys that here is set by the manufacturer, and I'm going to change the 15 minutes to 5 minutes, and I'm going to change the 30 minutes to 10 minutes. And why it's that happen? During the faulty probe, this one guys, if have a problem, it show up here the P1 alarm, and I'm gonna show you that the P1 alarm will engage, and I'm going to disengage this room sensor. Now we got a P1 alarm. I'm going to silent this one. As you notice guys, the compressor is off. Now we're going to access the C-on and C-off. Set an arrow down button for 3 seconds. And another set an arrow down button for 7 seconds to enter the hidden parameter. Then we're going to access the C-on. C-on set here 15 is the default. I'm going to change that one first to 1. Set, and compressor off, I'm going to set that to 1 also. And let's gonna find out what happened. Set, and I'm going to reset this. Off, on. Okay, we got the P1 alarm. I'm going to silent that one. Now you see, compressor is on, and let's wait for 1 minute, and let's see if the compressor off will engage, because I set that first to 1 minute. And take a look, we have a sensor problem, and this is our thermostat, but still the compressor is on. And let's wait for the 1 minute. After 1 minute, let's see if the symbol here for the compressor on will turn off. Okay guys, it turned off. And let's wait another 1 minute, because I set also the C-on 1 minute, and let's see if the compressor will turn on again with the P1 sensor got a problem. See guys, it turned on. Therefore the proper setting for this is you're gonna put 5 minutes for the C-on and 10 minutes for the C-off. The purpose of this guys is the compressor. The purpose of this guys is so that the compressor will send signal to this control to on and off during this faulty probe. For example, we are in a freezer and our setting for the freezer is negative 18 to negative 23. The purpose of this, guys, is just in case we are in the range of negative 22 and this sensor got a problem, and the manufacturer set that to 15 minutes. That 15 minutes, this compressor keep on running. This 22 for 15 minutes, it goes to negative 30, and this is over for the standard temperature, and this is HACCP standard temperature. It goes to negative 30 because this sensor got a problem. And for the off also, just in case we are in negative 22 and we got the compressor will turn off for 30 minutes, and this negative 22 for 30 minutes will go to positive 5 for 30 minutes, and we're going to prevent that to happen. That's why we're going to set that to 5 minutes and 10 minutes only. Okay, see, turn off, turn on. That's the purpose of compressor on, compressor off for freezer setting, and our freezer setting is negative 18 to negative 23, and we're going to set that one there. Let's look at the C-on. We're going to set that to 5 minutes. Set. If you want 7 minutes, no problem. Set. And we're going to set this. We're going to set this to 10 minutes. And you're done. Now, you're going to correct now this one, just in case we got a problem. Just change this room sensor. And to mind you guys, this one also have a relationship with ALL and ALU. This is the ALL is the minimum temperature alarm. Minimum temperature alarm, and this ALU is the maximum temperature alarm. Yes, I already discussed this with my previous blog. Just look it for this. If you're new to my channel, guys, please support me by clicking subscribe button and notification bell, so you will be updated just in case I have new upload video. Thanks for watching. Until then, God bless. Now the P1 error disappear.